Warning, a Sonic the Hedgehog-like figure has been located harming the local population in the state of Ohio. The description of the Sonic figure is red fur, pitch black eyes that turn static, extended limbs with four stick figure-like arms on the side and back of its body and a big hole in the center of its body. And the local police department think there is something inside because they saw a red glowing eye from the inside. We only have 2 photos representing who or what the creature is. If you see the creature, do not approach it in any way. Call the unknown research team. They will try to figure out what it is. Thank you for listening, and good day.
I'll never leave Ohio. I'll stay till everyone is my gold puppet.